we are here outside of the Titusville Park building in Titusville, Pennsylvania. And I believe we have an old elevator of some sort here. I think it's like an old Otis. Yeah, it's an old Otis. Looks like it's from the 50s. It's bottom drive. This is an interesting cab. The buttons look like they were lowered at some point for you. Go to 3. Here we go. Certificate. Sold in 1950 sometime. It's a basic and interesting, like, old, I think it's like redone. It has this like weird bathroom handle on the back. One has a drop ceiling too, which is kind of ugly. It's LED lights. Let's take another ride, but we're only up to 2 this time. I'm about to try to press. This is a bouncy old Otis elevator. It's a 2-speed AC. Bottom drive traction. Here it goes, and that's gonna be it.